Hello there, Scratcher fans. Welcome to the channel. Lucky Scratcher here. Didn't have much luck on the last time I did these, so I went straight back over to the store. I got these and got the last 3 tickets from the book on the 7's, and I figured why not do a duplicate session. So I got 3 more of the Feeling Lucky as well. So yeah, this is what I got today for you guys in this video. I've got 3 of the Feeling Lucky tickets: 30, 31, and 32. From the same book as the last ones, from book number 1. And 7's the last 3 in that book, because these came out backwards on the machine. So I have tickets 000, 1, and 2. Also from the same book as the last ones, from book number 3. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully we can get luckier than last time. But I will take what I can get as long as I can get something back. We don't end up with a bust session, especially when it's 105 bucks. Let's go and get started here with ticket number 30 on the Feeling Lucky. And if you're not familiar with these, you got Fast 50 spot here, find 50, win 50 bucks, got Match to Win, or find 2 times, 5 times, or 10 times multiplier. Let's go and get started. See if we can find ourselves a multiplier. It's been a while since I found a multiplier on these. However, I'll take a Match Win. Had some decent luck with those on this ticket too. And multiplier, multiplier, multiplier. And no multiplier this time. Alright, hopefully that means we have a match. First winning number is a 9. No match there. Next up is a 1, and that's a swing and a miss as well. 4. Yeah, we're closer with 6 there, but not quite. 43. 44, 42. Got us surrounded, but no 43. And we got a double one, 11. 4. Another one off. So starting off with a loser, or second chance, depending on how you want to look at it. Next up, ticket number 31. Come on, Fast 50. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. Fast 50 on this one. Maybe the one's there. Maybe I shouldn't have forgot. And nope, we got a 54. Okay, still a loser. Alright. Again, 53 on this one, no 50, so no fast cash. Oh, there's the one I needed from the last ticket. Come on, multiplier. Don't be shy. Come out wherever you are. And nope, they're still hiding. Alright. Come on, just need a single match. Starting off with 14. And nope. No 14. Next up we got a 25. Which is also not there. 32. So close. And 33. Again, so close, but nope. 15 is one off. And the last winning number of this ticket is 18. And we got another one off. Oh, and one off there too. So there's 2 second chances in a row. Hopefully we can change our luck right here and get a win. But not with the Fast 50. Alright, maybe we'll get a multiplier on this one. And multipliers. Alright, well, we just need a single match. That's all we need. Starting off with a 38. And we are one off. 16. Alright, we got a match, guys. A single match so far. Next up, we got a 41. There's a 42. Nope, no 41. 7. Had that on the last ticket. And last ring number of this ticket is a 29. And that is one off. So just single 16. So that probably means it's a ticket win. But let's see what we got. And right, we got a ticket win. So we are, just like the previous video, we have $5 back out of the Feeling Lucky. So that brings us up to $5 back out of 105. All right, on to ticket number 000 of the 7's. All right. We're looking for a symbol, 7 symbol here to win a fast cash spot. If it's here, it's $50, here, hundreds, and so on. So yeah, hopefully we'll get lucky. Find a 7 symbol under one of these. Got a bell, key, star, and a ring. So no fast cash. But same thing here. If we find a 7 symbol, then we win the prize listed below here. So hopefully we can get lucky down here. Got a banana, horseshoe, diamond, emerald, clover, and come on, 777. Nope, wishbone. All right. Well, hopefully we'll find something down here. Down here, we can find a multiplier or a match to win. Multipliers are 5 times, 10 times, 50 times, or 100 times. Or if you find a 7 symbol down here, it's a nomadic win all. Win all 25 prizes down here. Really wouldn't mind any of those. I'll just be happy with a win, no matter what it is. In the last video where I did these, I got my first actual win on these tickets. Was a $30 win up here. So hopefully I can get at least one more win out of these. And we got no symbol, so hopefully we can get a match. All right. First winning number is 58. And that is a note. Closest we got is a 56. How about a 51? Yeah, that's a nope. That's a big swing and a miss. And we got 52, also not there. And we got 34. See a 32, 31, 33, and a 35, but no 34. So it all comes down to the last number here. Last winning number of this ticket is a 24. And we got a 25. And that's it. No win, unfortunately, on ticket 000. Moving on to ticket number 1. We got to get lucky on one of these other two, hopefully. Looking for a 7. We've got a ring, necklace, rainbow, and a star. No fast cash up there, unfortunately. Down here, we're looking for a 7 as well. We got a clover, heart, wishbone, melon slice, lemon, and hey, there we go. We got a 7. We got a win, guys. All right. See if we can't find anything else to go along with that down here. It's a really nice big win. Unfortunately, no multipliers or 7 symbol, so hopefully we can get a match. Starting off with a 45. We got 44, 46, no 45. How about a 68? See, 66, and that's it. Closest we got. 59. Nope. 60. 62. I think that's the closest we're going to have for that too. All right, last ring number on this is a 55, and we are one off of that 56. So it's just our 7 symbol win right here. So let's see what we've got. We've got another $30 ticket value win. Alright, well that puts us up to 35. We're even with what we did the last time. Sure hope we can get a second winner in a row here on ticket number 2. Alright, come on, fast cash. Let's see that 7. Got a bell. A chest. Key. And a ring. Still can't get that fast cash. How about here? Get another 7 down here. Got cherries. Emerald. Lemon. Pot of gold. Banana. And horseshoe. Alright, well hopefully that means we got a win down here then. Sure would be nice to see that multiplier. Alright, come on, multiplier, multiplier, multiplier. Or 7 symbol. That would be just as fine, just as good. 7 multiplier, 7 multiplier, 7 multiplier, and no. Well, hopefully we've got a match under here somewhere. Alright, first winning number 21. Yeah, we do. We got a match. Awesome. All right. And it's... Oh, we got 2 21s. I didn't even notice that. All right. Wonder if there's anything else to go with that. 59 is... Oh, we got 2 59s too. I didn't notice that either. Awesome. Any more duplicates that I missed? Okay, I don't think I see any more duplicates. Next up, winning number is 22. Say 21. The 22. We got a 55. There we go. We got another win. That means 5 wins. And the last winning number is an 11, which is also a win. So only 1 non-winning number. Is that right? Yeah, only 1. Wow. Okay. Start with our 21s here. First 21 gives us $10. So does that mean it's going to be a $50 win? That would be nice. The other 21 is down here. Oh, 20. Nice. Next up was 59. Just here. So that's 10 there. Ooh, it's a little hard. And another 10. So that's already 50. And 55. That's 60. And then 11. Oh, we got a $100 win, guys. That's awesome. All right. I will take it. So that means we actually ended up with the profit session this time, guys. We got $100 here. And then we had $30 here, so that's $130. And then another $5 ticket win. So that's $135 back out of 105. So we got a $30 profit session, guys. All right. Well, if you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. And if there's any California scratches you want to see in future videos, be sure to put those in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll get you in the next video.